Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah. Them have a set of people. When them see you try come, them would even give you water for drink. Them prefer you drop down. But as soon as God help you, and them see you start move along, back foot, no bandwagonist not, I try up on your van. Bandwagonist, you bravey, all fear your eyes so dry. It look like some pussy pop quote not in a fear your eye. Me and you don't normally play unless we are play hypocrite. But all of a sudden you're going like me and your BFF, bandwagonist, you have to stop it. You would think bandwagonist a cheer for you. Careful, I no support that. Bandwagonist think you're a mosquito. That's why them a clap. And every follower up on social media in a supporting mood. Some see as an opportunity and just a try to eat a food. Watch out for the bandwagonists. Them parasitic bad. They will yam out your heart and soul. Massa, them come for grab. Them will say, I want to use you for a show. You better believe me, friend. Cause when show done and a payment time, you can't see them again. But we want to give you exposure. I pity them down you. So you don't know say them a user. For God already exposed them to you. We can help you blow up. We have strong connections, man. Keep a double connection to yourself, but you want me blow up after me no bomb. Look how long me I tell them. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah. My love, them now look at me. But them want me plug them posts, endorse them products, and perform for little or free. When you did want help for plant the wheat, cut the wheat, grind the wheat in a flour, everybody say, not I. But as soon as you take the flour baked bread, everybody with them empty plate a come by. I pretend like them just a hear about you. Oh, you're so talented. I progress them see and a rock and come in. Bandwagonist here red. When you did one play love for love, them never interested in that. Well, sorry, hon. Game change. We start play tit for tat. If you want to use any of my expertise, employ any of my skill. Remember what the Bible say? Money answereth all things. So bandwagonist, prepare for the bill. Oh, you don't have a budget. Is a no budget production? Well, honey, don't get Jazan or Zandramah involved with this one. Me have to take taxi to and from the venue. That name transportation. Me have to prepare costume, props, rehearsal, miscellaneous things. Our is a production. Stop turn idiot. After me no switch part that I go, the most thing them can do is stay wide and stop talk to you. And even if them do that, you don't have a thing for lose. From morning you know so them a bandwagonists and just you them come for use. God will open doors for you, so just be patient and wait for your time to come. Because if you make the bandwagonists them up on your van, my dear, them will broke you down. Don't play a haters them no mind, child. Them still a give views. And if them slaughter your name, just laugh. You're still relevant news. Watch out for the users them. The sweet mouth opportunist. I go on like them I offer you something. Run them! A bandwagonist. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.